welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Well, today's video I am doing a decorate with me for my Christmas fireplace and mantle. Well, really it's just the mantle. Like, this is one of my favorite places to decorate seasonally and for the holidays, but you know, sometimes I'm just not feeling very creative, so y'all know what I'm talking about. When you're decorating, you gotta stop and go and kind of move things around until you love it. And sometimes I even have to live with it a couple of days and then I'll still change it. So I'm sure many of you know what I'm talking about. But I absolutely love Christmas. It is my favorite holiday of all time. As much as I love the fall season, I love the Christmas holiday. And although it's going to look very different this year, I am still looking forward to it and still looking forward to making our home very, very festive and warm and welcoming and all of that for my family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me. I'm really excited about it, but I am even more excited because I am collaborating with my friend Charissa. Hey girl, hey. Charissa over at Hanging with the White Folks. Yes, y'all. If y'all don't know who Charissa is, please take this time to get to know her. She is Miss Seasonal Holiday. She is Miss Fall. She is Miss Christmas. She is Mrs. Claus. She is all of that and then some. If you guys love seasonal decor and just all things Christmas, all things fall, all things everything, I mean, she is your girl. She is a mom and a wife, and she is just a joy. And we have definitely become friends just throughout this whole 2020 and this pandemic, honey. We have just really bonded. And if you guys are not following her on Instagram, I mean, what girl? Dude, what are you doing? What, like, are you living under a rock or something? Because her Instagram reels and her Insta stories and all of that are just fabulous. So please, after you watch this video, please go over and show her so much love. Tell her that Felicia sent you, and by all means, like, comment, and subscribe while you are over there. And Charissa, thank you so much for collaborating with me on today's video. If you're coming over here from her channel, hey girl, hey. I am Felicia, also known as Miss Fee Marie. I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become a member of the Fee Marie family and to the family. Y'all know I love y'all so much. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is make sure I have a clean mantle. So I'm just taking a Pledge furniture wipe and just wiping the area clean. Now, the part that I did not get on video, and I apologize, is that I have two command hooks on opposite sides of the mantle. You guys, there is nothing worse than getting your creation all together and then it comes crashing down. So please make sure that if you're going to put ornaments and ribbon and things like that, you know, things that I'll be putting on there today, make sure you use some command hooks to hold it up. I learned my lesson many years ago, so I just wanted to pass that on to you guys. And what I'm doing now is I am just fluffing the branches. Touch every branch, you guys, if you can. If you can take your time and touch every single one, that is gonna pay off in the long run, because you don't want it to be all flat and looking, you know, sad. So make sure you try to touch every single branch as you go. And yes, it is time consuming, but I promise you it will pay off in the long run. Now you probably noticed that I left my garland a little flat in the middle, and that is because I will be adding this garland from Big Lots, you guys. Gorgeous, so gorgeous, and I definitely wanted this to be on my fireplace. So what I'm going to do is I am going to layer the two. So when you don't want to add a ton of ornaments individually, look for other garlands that you can add to it, or swags, or different things like that that you can add to it, and it's in a group, so it will definitely cut down on time because you don't have to individually add every single pick or every single ornament. Okay, so this is what we're looking like thus far once I add the garland. Now we're going to go in with some ribbon. You guys, this ribbon, the Merry Christmas ribbon, is from Joann's this year. It was buy one, get two free. Yes, girl. And this is my favorite ribbon of Christmas 2020. It is this glittery, beautiful ribbon from Michael's. If y'all haven't seen that ribbon, it is a thing of beauty. I think I am on my 5th roll. That's how much I love it. It's on my tree. It's going to be on this garland. It's going to be on wherever I can put it on. And I apologize that I am not completely in frame right here, you guys. I was too busy watching Chicago PD on the USA channel. But I am basically cutting my ribbon in about 8 to 9 inch strips. And I am weaving it in and out of that garland. Now, there's so many ways for you to add ribbon to garland, but you just want to focus on getting it as deep in there as possible so that it looks like it's a part of the garland and not just something that you laid on top of it, if that makes sense. I do apply them simultaneously. I just think that layering look works for me. And again, I'm just going in and out with it, you guys. No real rhyme or reason. I like the ribbon to be as organic looking as possible. And then once I am done, I go in and I kind of spread the two ribbon out. So I kind of fan them out so that you can see both ribbons as you're looking at the garland.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
Now we're going to go in with some picks. Yes, most of these picks I have gotten from Hobby Lobby. The glittery branches that were on top, those are from last year, and I don't remember where I got them from, but it's a good possibility I got those from Hobby Lobby as well. Now, my garland is looking pretty full right now, but I can always add a little more glam to it. So I'm just taking those branches, and again, I'm just sticking them randomly, even though I am completely in view of the camera. I am just sticking them in randomly. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, thumbs up this video if you watch Chicago PD, because if I was not so completely focused on what was going on Chicago PD, I would know that y'all can't see what I'm doing. But I am just randomly sticking them in. I made sure I put 2 on the very ends of the garland to give them a little sparkle. But yes, I am just sticking them wherever I see an open spot that may need a little something something.
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Okay, I think we're looking pretty good. Now you guys, y'all will not believe I found these beautiful poinsettias at the Dollar Tree. Girl, do y'all see these champagne and gold poinsettias? They are beautiful. It was the last 2. I was really hoping that they had more, but they didn't. And so I'm just going to take those 2 and I am going to clip them on opposite sides of the garland. So they'll just flank the garland, and that's fine. All I really need are those 2, because as you guys can see, we already have a lot of festive cheer going on in this garland.
Christmas memories.
Okay, we are getting to the finish line, folks. Okay, so now of course we need something on the mantle besides just the garland. So I'm gonna go in with these gold reindeers that I got last year or year before from Burlington, I believe. And I am just gonna put 1 on either side of the fireplace.
I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me.
I also added these 2 gold trees to either end of the fireplace, and I believe those are also from Burlington. So of course we can have a mantle without stockings, so I went in and added these stockings from Hobby Lobby. They were $12.99 and they were all 50% off. Again, everything from Hobby Lobby, you guys, is currently 50% off. And this is what we have, you guys. This is my fireplace mantle for Christmas 2020. You guys, I was so nervous about not using red this year. I am definitely a traditional girl generally when it comes to Christmas. I love the red, and you will see red in my Christmas home tour, just not in this space. And I love how it turned out. I love the neutrals with the sparkle. I absolutely love it. I want to put something in the middle of the mantle, but you guys know with our television being above it, there's only so many things that I can put there. So we'll see what I can find. But this is just the close-up of what we've done. I hope you guys love it. I did add fairy lights. I initially had that believe sign up there, but I decided to remove it. I didn't like the way it looked. But it definitely twinkles at night with the fairy lights because this garland was not pre-lit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me Again, head over to Charissa's channel and check her out. Her channel is linked in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, this